We guide you through how to upload audio to Roblox in a simple steps. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you are logged in into your Roblox account and have a verified profile, since audio uploads require verification and may need an approved ID depending on your account status. Next, go to the Roblox Creator dashboard, click on Creations, then select Audio and tap Upload Audio. Choose your audio file, add a clear name and description, and make sure it follows Roblox audio guidelines to avoid moderation issues. After uploading, wait for Roblox to review and approve the audio, which can take some time, so be patient. Once approved, you'll see the audio ID. Copy this ID and paste it into your Roblox studio to use the sound in your game. And finally, test the audio in game to make sure it plays correctly.